What's the weather today?
Alexa, find me a yoga class.
What time is my next meeting?
Turn on my AC in the living room. Ask Fitbit to start my run.
How many calories are in chocolate mousse?
What does it say?
You don't want to know.
Fitbit Versa 2 Health and Fitness Smartwatch with heart rate. About this item, use Amazon Alexa built-in to get quick news and information. Check the weather, set timers and alarms. Control your smart home devices and more, all through the sound of your voice. Third-party app may be required. Amazon Alexa not available in all countries. Based on your heart rate, time of sleep and restlessness. Sleep Score helps you better understand your sleep quality each night. Also track your time in light, deep and REM sleep stages and get personal insights. Control your Spotify app. Download Pandora stations and add Deezer playlists. Plus store and play 300 plus songs on your wrist. Subscription required. Pandora's is only with a larger display and an always-on option. Your information's always a quick glance away. Always on display requires more frequent charging. Track heart rate 24/7, steps, distance, calories burned, hourly activity, active minutes and floors climbed. Sinking range. Up to 6.1 meters, works around the clock with 6+ day battery life. Varies with use and other factors. Get a call, text, calendar and smartphone app notifications when your phone is nearby. Plus send quick replies and a voice replies on Android only. Products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Meet Fitbit Versa 2 Trademark, a smartwatch that elevates every moment. Use your voice to create alarms, set bedtime reminders, check the weather or start an exercise with Amazon Alexa built-in, plus see the time or your stats at a glance with always on display mode. Take your look from the gym to the office with its modern and versatile design. Play your favorite music and podcasts with Spotify. Plus get Fitbit Pay, a daily sleep score, notifications and 24/7 heart rate for an experience that revolves around you. If you want to buy this product, clicks on the down link present in description. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon button.